Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see your favorite videos on TikTok or the videos that you marked them as favorites. So to do this, you just need to go and open your TikTok account and after that enter to your profile. And as you can see, there is some icons on the top of your videos. So the icon when you click on it, you can see your favorite videos is the icon near to the heart. It looks like comment icon with like hiding icon on it. Then one near to the heart, you click on it. And as you can see here, you can see all your favorite videos here or the videos like that you marked on your favorite. Also the sounds, the effects, the collections, everything you can find it here. So this was our video for today. I hope that you like this video and see you.